Stop. Before you book that Botox appointment, watch this first. I have something on my desk right now that changed how I think about forehead lines forever. It is not a cream, it is not a laser, it is not a needle. It is a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. And what it found about facial muscle tension and skin folding shocked even me. I am Dr. Romalia, and I have spent years helping women reclaim their health naturally, scientifically, and permanently. And today, I am going to show you a nightly pinch method that my patients over 50 are using to visibly soften deep forehead furrows, the ones that make you look tired, stressed, or older than you feel. Stay until the end, because at minute 12, I am going to show you the exact sequence, step by step, that you can do tonight, in bed in under 7 minutes. Before we get into the method, I want to give you the science because I never ask my patients to do anything without a reason rooted in research. Here is what the studies say. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology confirmed that repetitive facial muscle contractions, specifically the corrugator, supercilii, and frontalis muscles, are the primary mechanical drivers of forehead furrows. Every time you squint, concentrate, or stress, those muscles contract and fold the skin above them. Over time, with collagen loss after 50, those folds become permanent creases. A 2019 study from the University of Wisconsin found that targeted facial massage and manual compression techniques increased microcirculation in facial tissue by up to 34%, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to skin cells. A landmark 2018 paper in JAMA Dermatology showed that women who performed structured facial exercise programs for 20 weeks demonstrated measurable improvements in upper facial fullness and reduced appearance of deep lines, rated by blinded dermatologists. And perhaps most importantly, a 2022 review in Frontiers in Physiology confirmed that myofascial release, which is exactly what this pinch method delivers, reduces chronic muscle hypertonicity, meaning it literally trains your muscles to stop holding tension. This is not a beauty trend. This is muscle physiology. This is skin biology. And this is something every woman over 50 deserves to know. Let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and felt genuinely good about your forehead? Not resigned, not okay for my age, actually good. If you are over 50, chances are you have noticed that those lines between your brows and across your forehead have gone from fine lines to deep furrows. And they are not just there when you frown anymore. They are there when your face is completely relaxed. That is what we call resting furrows, and they are incredibly common after menopause. Here is why they get so much worse after 50 specifically. During and after menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. Estrogen plays a direct role in collagen synthesis. In fact, research published in the British Journal of Dermatology found that women lose approximately 30% of their skin collagen in the first 5 years after menopause, and up to 2% per year after that. Without that collagen scaffolding, the skin cannot bounce back from muscle contractions the way it once did. At the same time, the frontalis muscle, the large flat muscle across your forehead, begins to lose tone and elasticity. But here is the cruel paradox. Even as the muscle weakens overall, it often develops chronic tension patterns, tight bands of hypercontracted muscle fibers that literally pull the skin downward and inward, deepening those furrows. So you have thin, collagen-depleted skin sitting on top of chronically tense muscle. That is the perfect storm for deep forehead lines. Now, Botox works by paralyzing those muscles temporarily. And yes, it can smooth things out, but at what cost? The average Botox treatment for the forehead costs between $300 and $600 in the USA, and it lasts 3 to 4 months. That is over $1,200 a year minimum. Plus the risks, drooping brows, headaches, uneven results, and the gradual loss of natural expression over time. And here's what the Botox companies do not advertise. If you stop getting injections, the muscles can rebound, sometimes sometimes contracting even harder, making lines appear worse than before. There has to be a better way. And there is. The pinch method is a structured, nightly manual therapy technique that I developed based on 3 established clinical practices: myofascial release, acupressure, and lymphatic drainage, all adapted specifically for the delicate facial tissue of women over 50. The core idea is this: you are not trying to stretch the skin. You are not trying to fill a wrinkle. You are working with the muscle underneath, releasing its chronic tension, restoring healthy blood flow, and gradually training it to rest in a relaxed, neutral position. Think of it like this. If you have ever had a knot in your shoulder, a tight, sore spot that keeps coming back, you know that stretching alone does not fix it. What works is sustained, targeted pressure directly on that knot. Physical therapists call it trigger point release. The same principle applies to your face. Your forehead furrows are not just skin folds. They are the external expression of chronically contracted muscle knots sitting right beneath the surface. And the pinch method goes directly after those knots, night after night, until they release. The reason I recommend doing this at night is backed by science. A 2020 study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology confirmed that skin cell regeneration peaks between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. When you perform this method before bed, you stimulate blood flow and cellular activity right before your skin enters its most active repair phase. That is working with your biology, not against it. This is the part you've been waiting for. Get comfortable. You can do this sitting up or lying down in bed. All you need are clean hands and, optionally, a small amount of a natural oil. Rosehip oil or jojoba oil work beautifully because they absorb slowly and reduce friction without clogging pores. The full sequence has 5 steps. Do not rush them. The whole thing takes between 6 and 8 minutes. Step 1, the preparation. Press, 60 seconds. Place both palms flat against your forehead. Your fingers should point toward each other and meet at the center of your forehead. Apply gentle, steady pressure, not hard, just firm. Hold for 10 seconds, then slowly drag your palms outward toward your temples. Repeat this 4 times. What this does, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and repair mode, and begins to warm the tissue, making the muscles more receptive to the deeper work ahead. Research from the Touch Research Institute at the University of Miami confirms that this type of broad, tactile pressure reduces cortisol levels and increases serotonin, directly reducing the stress-driven muscle tension that causes furrows to form. Step 2, the furrow lift pinch, 90 seconds. Using your index finger and thumb on each hand, gently pinch the skin and muscle along the center of your forehead, starting right at the hairline. Use a soft, rolling pinch, not a sharp grab. Hold each pinch for 3 seconds, then release. Move down 1 centimeter at a time toward your brow. When you reach the brow, go back to the hairline and repeat the entire column, but move 1 centimeter to the right. Then repeat on the left side. The motion is pinch, hold 3 seconds, release, move down. You are covering 3 vertical columns: center, right of center, and left of center. What this does, this is the myofascial release component. You are lifting the fascia, the connective tissue layer that wraps the muscle, away from the underlying muscle belly, breaking up adhesions that form when the muscle stays contracted for extended periods. A 2017 study in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy confirmed that myofascial pinching techniques reduce tissue stiffness by improving fascial hydration and mobility. Step 3, the furrow trace, 60 seconds. Now use just your middle fingers. Find your deepest forehead furrow. For most women over 50, this is either the horizontal line across the middle of the forehead or the vertical glabellar lines between the brows. Place one finger at each end of the furrow. Apply light upward pressure as if you are gently trying to smooth the line from the inside, and very slowly trace along the line from one end to the other. Do not press down. Press inward and slightly upward. Repeat 5 times on each furrow. What this does: this targets the periosteal layer, the tissue directly above the bone where chronic tension creates the deepest anchoring of wrinkles. By applying directional pressure along the wrinkle path, you are disrupting the habitual contraction pattern of the muscle fibers responsible for that specific line. Step 4. The brow anchor release, 90 seconds. This step specifically targets the corrugator supercilii, the muscle that pulls your brows together and down, causing the 11 lines between your brows. Place your index fingers just above the inner corners of each eyebrow. Apply firm, upward pressure as if you are pushing the muscle back up toward the forehead. Hold for 5 seconds. Then very slowly and gently pull your fingers apart horizontally, moving them toward the outer edges of your brows while maintaining upward pressure. Repeat 4 times. What this does, this is a specific release technique for the corrugator, which is anatomically the primary creator of glabellar furrows, the most aging of all forehead lines. Many dermatologists specifically target this muscle with Botox. By manually applying sustained counter-directional pressure, you are teaching this muscle to elongate rather than contract, which over time reduces the depth of those 11 lines without any chemical intervention. Step 5. The lymphatic finish, 60 seconds. Using all 4 fingers of both hands, make very light, feather-soft circles starting at the center of your forehead and spiraling outward toward your temples. This should feel almost ticklish, extremely light. Do this for 30 seconds. Then, using the pads of your fingers, make gentle downward sweeping strokes from your forehead, down past your temples, down your neck, toward your collarbone. What this does, this activates the lymphatic drainage system of the face. The lymphatic system has no pump of its own. It relies on manual movement to clear inflammatory byproducts. After the deeper work in steps 2 through 4, there is localized inflammation and metabolic waste that needs to be moved out. Research published in the Journal of Lymphology confirms that manual lymphatic drainage of the face significantly reduces puffiness and improves skin clarity by clearing this cellular debris. This final step is what separates a basic face massage from a truly therapeutic technique. That is the complete pinch method. 5 steps, done nightly. I want to be honest with you because I believe honesty is the most important thing a health advisor can offer. You will not wake up tomorrow with a smooth forehead. Anyone who tells you that a natural technique produces overnight results like Botox is not being truthful with you. Here is the realistic timeline based on what I have observed with my own patients and what the science supports. In the first week, you will notice that your forehead feels physically softer. The tension you did not even know you were holding will begin to release. You may notice slight redness after the session. That is the increased circulation doing exactly what it should. By weeks 2 and 3, many women notice that their furrows look less deep in the morning when the face is most relaxed after sleep. That is a significant sign. It means the muscle is beginning to hold a more relaxed resting tone. By weeks 4 to 6, if you are consistent, meaning you do this every single night, you should see a visible softening of even your deepest lines. Not erasure, softening. Natural, authentic softening that preserves your expressions and your face. And here is what makes this better than Botox in the long run. It is cumulative. Every night builds on the last. Botox wears off and must be repeated forever. This method creates actual change in the muscle tissue and fascial structure, and the results compound over time. While the pinch method is the star of the show, I want to give you 3 supporting habits that will amplify your results significantly because I want you to win completely. Habit 1, protein at breakfast. Collagen is a protein. Your body cannot produce collagen without adequate protein intake. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women over 50 who consumed at least 25 grams of protein at breakfast had measurably better skin elasticity than those who did not. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. Start your morning with protein and you are feeding your skin from the inside. Habit 2, the sleeping position shift. If you sleep on your side or your stomach, you are mechanically pressing your forehead against a pillow for 7 to 9 hours every night, literally pressing furrows deeper while you sleep. Switch to your back or invest in a contoured pillow designed for back sleeping. This single habit change can dramatically improve how well the pinch method works because you will not be undoing at night what you are building with the technique. Habit 3, the brow awareness practice. Throughout the day, set a reminder on your phone every 2 hours. When it goes off, check your face. Are your brows furrowed? Is your forehead tight? Most of us hold chronic facial tension without realizing it. Simply becoming aware of this and consciously releasing it during the day reduces the cumulative muscle contraction that creates furrows. This costs nothing and takes 3 seconds. Here is what I want you to do right now before you close this video. First, try the pinch method tonight. Tonight. Not tomorrow, not when you remember, tonight. Your skin is going to repair itself while you sleep regardless. Give it the best possible environment to do that by doing this 7-minute sequence first. Second, tell me in the comments below which furrow bothers you the most. The horizontal forehead lines, the 11 lines between your brows, or the 11 plus horizontal combined. I read every single comment and I want to create follow-up videos specifically targeting whatever is most important to you. Third, if you found real value in this video, please subscribe and hit the bell. I release new evidence-based health and wellness content every week, specifically for women over 50 who deserve real information, not just marketing. I do not sell products. I do not promote procedures. I give you science and I give you tools. And finally, share this video with one woman in your life who needs to see it. One friend, one sister, one colleague. You could genuinely change how she feels about her face, and that is a beautiful gift to give someone. I am Dr. Ramalia. Thank you for trusting me with your time and your health. I will see you in the next video, and I will see you in the comments. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.